10 AI side hustles you can start this weekend. Hello, my name is Simon from Scotland, and in today's review video I want to talk about a product that I've created, and it's called 10 AI side hustles you can start this weekend. So in this review video I'm just going to explain what 10 AI side hustles is and what you get for your money. It's a digital product, and I designed and created it to help people, to give people some ideas on how to generate an income online. And these are 10 ideas that you can have, that you can use. You can use all of them, you can use one of them, it's up to yourself. But it comes with lots of different bonuses, and it comes with other it comes with lots of different bonuses, and I'll talk to you about that in this review video. I'm just going to go through the slides now. And it was really designed to help people. So what do you get inside you get a 30-day action plan, you get a checklist preview, and as I said before, it is perfect for students and things, and it is an instant digital download, so you can actually download it straight away. So what do you get inside the guide? Well, you've got the main guide, which is the 10 AI side hustles. You get 50 AI prompts, and these prompts will help you and give you some more inspiration and some ideas. You get a 30-day action plan, which you can use. The 30-day action plan is something that you can print off, and you can go through it at your own time, and you can write notes next to them as well. And it's just to help to keep you on track of everything so that you don't get overwhelmed. And you also get a research worksheet as well. So there's lots of bonuses with the AI side hustle main guide, and there's lots of bonuses with the side hustle document to help you get started. And it's all designed to help you. It's not designed to overwhelm you, but really to help you to get started and to take action. So what have we got here? Inside this guide, you've got the 10 AI side hustle ideas, which is the main guide. You've got a list of the tools to use, that's different softwares, and it will explain how to start and mistakes to avoid. A lot of people make mistakes, and it's not their fault, it's just the way that their approach and the way of doing things. So we avoid that by giving you a list of things to take into consideration when you are going on this adventure to make some money online. Chapters include digital products, prompts pack, faceless contents, freelancing and affiliate marketing. These are the different topics that we cover inside AI side hustles, just to give you some idea what you want to do. And the idea is you just pick your own thing that you're interested in and go with that, and just do one thing at a time and build on that. You got your 50 prompts preview, so you copy and paste the prompts inside ChatGPT, and they will give you extra tips and guidance. For example, you can cut and paste the following text: create 10 high converting Gumroad products, title ideas for the AI side hustle book. So ChatGPT is very helpful to give you more ideas, and especially because ChatGPT will analyse the marketplace, and they'll know what language to use to attract buyers to your product, and that's really important. So you've got the prompt workbook, which gives you product ideas, TikTok prompts, Etsy listing prompts, Fiverr service prompts, and business plan prompts. So you can make money on Fiverr, you can make money through Etsy, or if TikTok's your thing, then you can do that as well. And like I said before, you just choose whichever one resonates with you and you go with that. The 30-day action plan is a roadmap to help you create and launch your idea, and it's divided into 4 weeks, and it's divided into 4 weeks, but I think there's a daily sheet as well, and you just go through it every day and you tick them off and make notes and things, and it's just to keep you on track and to keep you focused. You've got a checklist preview as well to help you stay organised, and as you can see from the slides, it gives you all the information that you need, and you just check the box whenever you complete the task. It is perfect for students, parents, digital product sellers, people who want to learn AI, and beginners who are trying to make money online. Basically, if you have access to the internet and you're trying to make some money online, then it's perfect for you. I can't make any guarantees of any sort of income because I don't know your situation. I don't know how much time you have to spend. I don't know if you have a budget or anything like that. So everything really depends on your efforts, and what you put into it is what you're going to get out of it. So it is important to stay focused, and things do take time. You might not make sales straight away. It might take a couple of weeks, but you do have to stay focused and work through it. It is an instant digital download. You'll get 6 files, and it's in PDF format. You can download them onto your computer and you can work through it. There is a README file to start with. If you read that one first, and it does actually explain how to use the pack so that you don't get overwhelmed. And that's really the 10 AI side hustles that you can start this weekend. It's not a very expensive guide, and it's very beginner friendly. It's quick to set everything up, and you can get started pretty much straight away. If you are interested in buying the 10 AI side hustles, there is a link under this video. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them under the video, and I will get back to you if there's anything that I've missed in this presentation. And yeah, as I said, there is a link if you want to buy it now and get access straight away. Remember to hit the subscribe button for future updates and ring the bell icon. My name is Simon from Scotland, and I've been internet marketing for over 15 years. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in future videos.